All right, so I'm easily influenced by TikTok. So I decided to get on the bedazzled flip phone thing. So I got my phone. I took it old school. I went back to Boost Mobile because, as you know, smartphones are just basically taken over. So I got the kit. I got the Summit Flip, and here is the phone. Very cute, very demure, very right out of the package. See if I can do this old school way. Oh my god, my nails are. Oh, yes. Okay. So now, yeah, when I get aggravated, I'm getting ready to do one of these. Oh, what you say? Uh-huh. Girl, get off my phone. So I'm just waiting for the gems to come in because the glue and my tools have come in, but the gems haven't, so they probably won't be here for another like month, for another week or so. But yeah, so I can't wait to bedazzle this thing. It's gonna be so pretty. they came out. These iridescent stones look so cute. This was slightly slightly messed up, but it is what it is. But everything came out really cute and I love it.